If you notice in my first video out on the backyard where I had that one lone bamboo plant planted, it was off center, and I thought I'd show the reason why. First, there's the death house. There's the bamboo. When I wake up in the morning, I come open this window. I leave it shut about that far because who wants to see the death house? Then go over and make my coffee. And while I'm making my coffee, looking out the window, you can directly look at the bamboo plant. Not sure if it's showing up in this video because of the light. Seems the higher I get, the better it looks. Anyway, it's there. Thought I'd show that in case anyone wondered why it was way off to the side. Anyway, I wanted to play a little more with my sticks because we haven't done anything with them for a couple of weeks. So I wanted to get a good look at a couple of their roots and see if they're actually growing or not. So what I did previously is you take one of the pots, kind of give it a squeeze around. Do I still have this thing zoomed? Yes, I did. Anyway, give it a squeeze so it loosens up the soil. And I'm going to give that a gentle little pull. Now, I want to see if anything's actually developing, so I'm going to rinse it off. And I'm going to look at it in the water. Let's take a look. See if we can see anything with the camera. Well, I am not sure if you can really see with the camera, but there are bumps. The bumps weren't there originally. I'm spinning it slowly so you can see them. Those bumps have little tiny hairs, which, since they do not rinse off with water, I am assuming means that they are baby little tiny roots. I am not completely sure. Don't know for sure. Anyway, I have this here. Take Root Rooting Home, which I have been using. I've done this just one other time with a few of these. They were all given a dose of them originally when I planted them. There we go. That gives it a good little. Now, get it back in the dirt. I'm just going to, shoot. Where'd that go? Well, I'll have to deal with it. I dropped the, just going to gently push that back in. The roots don't seem to be enough to grow anything yet. So I just gave it a little more root hormone. And we'll see if that does anything. I basically wanted to show the procedure and the reason why I haven't given up on the sticks yet. They do seem to have something going on under the dirt level. Their stems haven't gotten soft, so I don't think they're rotting or dead at this point. Um, Other than that, that's the sticks. And I'm just going to keep watching them. Don't know what else to do. Hopefully, my seeds will arrive soon and I will be able to play with those and get some actual action that I can document. All right. Thank you. Goodbye. Give me a like if you like it.